Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Hamza, and in today's video I'm gonna go over my portfolio just like I do every single day for you guys and to show you guys what is going on in our portfolio. Now obviously today the markets were in chaos. So we saw the markets go down. That means of course my portfolio went down once again. I'm going to show you by how much in just a second, but I know that means that a lot of your portfolios also suffered. So I'm not going to go there. What I am going to tell you is that I am posting alerts on stocks that I am buying and selling long term. My question to you guys is, would you guys like me to post alerts on stocks that I am buying short term, meaning stocks that I'm buying and then selling either the same day or in the next couple of hours? There's going to be lots of alerts if I did that. But for you guys, for my members, people who are subscribed and are members to the channel, I have no problem posting those types of alerts. And the reason I bring this up is I did have a couple of members who told me that they would enjoy my alerts even on short-term trades. Now remember, these trades are risky, but I have no problem posting them for all of you guys if that is what you guys want. So there's a little bit of a vote. Put it in the comments below. If I find enough members posting about it, I will post all my shorter-term trades in my alerts to all my members. Now, of course, with that being said, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and of course, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys want my alerts, consider becoming a member. And the way you become a member is pretty simple. You just hit that join button. I believe it is right next to the subscribe button. And just like that, let's get started with the portfolio. So the reason I'm starting on Dogecoin is I just bought Dogecoin at 0.3922, as you guys can clearly see right over here. And we are currently at 0.431. So I'm already making around $115 on Dogecoin on $1,000 investment. And that is something that you guys can as well. So every time I buy something, you guys get alerted that I buy it. Every time I sell something, you guys will get alerted if I sell it. And if that's something you guys want, like I said, just put it in the comments below and I will do that at request. Okay, now with that, let's quickly start with the portfolio and see where we went today. Now we are currently at $139,000. This number, by the way, just so you guys know, is the lowest that this portfolio has probably ever been. Now, for those of you who have been following me from the very beginning, like 57,000, 60,000, 100,000, and then 200,000, and now down to 139,000, you guys will know that we do try to hold as much as we can in this portfolio. Now, I'm not too worried about these losses because we actually did see healthy volume. Although the market did trend downwards, we did see healthy volume come back into some of the growth stocks that we have in the portfolio. So that's some good news. Now, I also think at the same time that because of the put option demand and pricing, that I think we still have a little more ways to go. So which means I'm not anticipating May to be the best month for this portfolio. I am now putting my hopes in June. So we're gonna try to cost average our way down. As you guys can see, I have $13,000 left. And the reason I have $13,000 left is that I did cost average my way down in some of the stocks, and I'm going to share those with you in just a second. But before I do, let's quickly go over my day. So today, we started at $145,000, as you guys can see over there, and we ended up actually at $132,000, losing $9,000 for the day. And we are recovering. So we're back to $139,000, which means we're only down $3,200 for the day, which is still quite big. It's 2.31% of this entire portfolio. I mean, it's quite a big percentage, but in the grand scheme of things, the market is trending downwards, and I had warned you guys early May that we are expecting a little bit of a decline. Now, I didn't anticipate the decline to be this big, but I did expect that we were going to have a little bit of a decline. Now, it also seems like things are moving down, like Apple, like Microsoft, like Amazon, and industrials are picking up. These are telltale signs, guys, of inflation coming or inflation being right around the corner. When the industrials start to rise, when oil starts to rise, and the rest of the stock market is kind of stagnant, these are telltale signs that we have inflation and it's right around the corner, which is why I also tell everybody to invest in real estate. Real estate, of course, is one of the perfect hedges against inflation. It increases and adjusts its price based on inflation. So if you guys have money sitting somewhere, like cash sitting somewhere, consider investing it either in stocks that are real estate related or real estate directly. Of course, always have a healthy stock portfolio as well, because these things tend to perform quite well. I know that we're not performing quite well right now, but over time, like over a long period of time, this portfolio is going to grow quite a bit. And of course, you guys are going to get to see that growth. And with that, let's quickly start with the options. Now, as you guys can see, GSAH minus $3, not too bad. Clove, we're losing quite a lot. Apple, we are down 57%. I'm down $11,000 on those options. Fubu, we are down as well. NEO, down once again. PLTR, minus 79, 25% down. I may actually consider buying some more PLTR options. Maybe not $50 calls, but I am considering buying some PLTR options for the end of the year. I'll keep you guys updated on those. Okay, let's quickly go over the long-term portfolio. The long-term portfolio is suffering quite a bit. ARK has now moved into a bearish trend. It is official as of today. We are bearish trending on ARK, which means either you are like me, where you continue buying the dip and cost average your way down, or people sold earlier on today and maybe we'll pick them up later on at some time when they think ARK is at a little bit of a discount. Now, I personally am going to cost average because I do have money that needs to be placed into the market. So I'm going to continue to cost average my way down and see how low this is going to go, because I don't think that I'm going to be able to catch the bottom. That's why I like this cost average down process. It's a very simple process for me. I'm going to continue to place more money into ARK. Now, with that, we're going to go to PLTR. We are down once again. We're down 35% on PLTR. That is crazy. That's a lot of money. We're down 50% on NEO stock, BNGO, and NDM over 50% as well. I'm quickly going to scroll down to show you guys my plays for today. So my plays for today were GSAH, which I have still open. Tesla, I still have open. MU, I still have open. Disney, I have open. MSOS, Open Door, and Skills. And as you guys can see, I don't think I've added anything today. So I don't really think I added anything today except for one thing, which I'm going to talk about in just a second. Now, a bunch of you have asked me why I like Open Door so much. Open Door, of course, for all of you who don't know, is the front runner for 2021 in my portfolio. I was aggressively in Open Door. I sold it at the high. I bought it back at the low, or at least what I thought was the low. It continued to go down after that, which is okay. I mean, you know, you really can't time the bottom. That's why you need to enter and keep buying until you cost average your way down. So that's okay with me. But Open Door, basically what I like about it, I think the technology is extremely disruptive. And I also like the fact that the founder is still an active member in the company. In fact, he is the CEO. The founders, rather, are both active members of the company, which is something I like to see. That means they still have a lot of faith in their product, and they have kept all their original shares from when they were founders in the company, which builds even more trust for somebody like me. And of course, I like the product, and I like the fact that it's real estate related. So that kind of exposes me to the real estate sector for this portfolio, which is something I like. And of course, they are a little more volatile than actual REITs, which is also something I like. They're like a tech realty play. Okay, now with that being said, let's quickly jump into the crypto. Like I said, guys, we're making a little bit of money on Doge. I have 2,804 Doge coins. I bought those earlier today. I have Bitcoin, I have half a Bitcoin, and I'm making $7,800 there. And of course, we are making $31,000 in Ethereum. So crypto is doing fairly well. Nothing to complain about here. The stock market has been lagging for a lot of us. For me personally, about 2.5 months now, we are waiting for a pickup, but I am really enthusiastic about June. I think June is going to be good. And of course, sell in May and go away is a thing in 2021. Historically, May has been underperforming, and this year is just no different. That's the reality of what is going on. Once again, guys, this is my portfolio. My name is Hamza, and I'll see you guys next video.